Hey guys, Dr. Wong with Next Level Physiotherapy. Today we're going to be having part 2 of our knee pain month. So what we're going to speak about is essentially 2 stretches you can do to relieve knee tension and stiffness. So then once you start moving and grooving, there's no more knee pain. Alright, so for the first stretch, what we're going to do is a stretch for your hamstrings. These are muscles behind the knee, and the reason why we want to stretch those muscles is because if those muscles get tight, it's going to cause the knee in the front to also have to work harder, and when muscles have to constantly work harder, guess what? Too much pressure, and slowly it's going to start causing pain. So I'm going to show you my right leg because that's the one closest to you guys. All you need is a yoga strap. And for those of you who don't have a yoga strap, you can always use a belt or you can always use your 2 hands. I find that a yoga strap definitely has more leverage and it just makes my life a whole lot easier. So what you do is you're going to lie on your back, face up. You bend your left knee, and then what you're going to do is you're going to tie a belt around the ankle or yoga strap, and you're going to pull towards you. Make sure as you do this knee is not bent. Make sure it's as straight as possible. Now the whole point of this exercise is not to pull as far as you can, because what you want to do is maintain the straightness of the leg and pull. So if your knee starts bending, you might need to back up and keep it straight until you can pull before it starts bending. And you're going to feel a nice stretch behind the knee. You're going to hold this for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Make sure you're breathing throughout the whole motion. Once you're done with one leg, you want to rinse and repeat on the opposite side. So that's the hamstring stretch. The next stretch we're going to do is a thigh stretch. The next stretch we're going to do is a thigh stretch or a quad stretch. This is muscles in the front that attaches from the hip to the actual knee itself. These are muscles we want to obviously stretch to reduce tension in the front thigh and into the knees as you're walking or standing. So the way you do that is you're going to lie on your stomach and you're going to tie the belt around the foot. And then what you do is you're going to pull that foot towards your butt. So what you feel on my left leg right now, I feel my left thigh being stretched out. Once again, don't arch your back. You want to lean forward where your chest is resting on the table or the floor. Feel your left thigh in my case. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once you're done with that, you want to turn around, do the same exact thing on the opposite leg. That right there is a quad stretch or the thigh stretch. So those are 2 stretches that you can do to relieve tension in the back of your legs, also in the front of your legs, to help your knee move a lot more efficiently. So next week we're going to be talking about 2 specific exercises you can do to strengthen your knees. So when you go walking or stand for a prolonged period of time, you don't have to worry about your knee pain. For those of you who want more information, we have a knee pain guide that you can click the link below to get. In the guide, you'll learn some ways beyond just stretches of other methods on how to decrease your knee pain and tension as you go about your day. We also are offering a knee pain consultation for those of you who want more specific tips on what is strictly causing your knee pain and how we can possibly help resolve that without any kind of injections, medications, or surgery. All right, guys, I will see you next week where we teach you 2 exercises for knee pain. Take care now.